Hey everybody, it's Michael. I just wanted to show you one thing that I was working on the other day. And it's something that we come across all the time, and it's while we're stitching in the ditch, what is the most efficient path to take when we're outlining shapes? And can we do it without breaking thread, and sometimes also without backtracking over something we've stitched before? So this is my client Renee's quilt, and this area, part of the motif, comes up several times in the quilt, and I thought, okay, how will I quilt this with this color thread that I'm using for the dark red sections without stopping? So I'm going to show you how I did it. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm using the Stitch Everything Mini for these smaller half square triangles, just because they're short spans. Oops. It happens. So basically going around this entire set, around the perimeter of it, and then it takes me back to where I started. I'm gonna switch out for some longer lengths here. Actually, no, let's go in. Now the piecing here is not perfect, so the goal for me is to keep the dark thread on the dark fabric, even if, you know, points are cut off or whatever. Clients can't help that sometimes. Okay, so then I'll move over here and do the star. And as soon as I get to here, I'm gonna go ahead and just do the inside square on point. With a little bit of fullness there. Continue down. Now I can outline if I wanted to, I could also outline the square, but this is a little bit on the lighter side of custom quilting, so I'm not going to do that part. Basically, you know, a customer will pay for light or medium or heavy, dense quilting. And then I decide which shapes I can skip or which shapes I should add, depending on how much time the customer wants me to put into their quilt. Okay, this will take me back to where I stopped on this part of the star, kind of the arrowhead. Now see, as I approach this up here, the seam, these pieces don't meet, but I'm gonna go ahead and take my thread in. I'm gonna jog over a little bit, because it's nice to try to camouflage some of the mistakes your clients might make. And if I continued straight on there, it would be obvious that her points didn't match, and I don't want to see that dark thread on the light fabric. And Renee is super sweet. She just probably isn't a perfectionist, and that's perfectly fine with me. Okay, so that took us down to this corner in which I'm gonna go ahead and do all of these 3 half square triangles. I'm gonna switch to my mini because it's easier. Oops. I can tell you why I got off on that one just a few seconds ago. Is because I was being aware of the camera, and I thought, oh, let me put my ruler on the other side. Like, no, that was a mistake, but it was not too bad. Okay. Okay, so now we're in the home stretch. I'm just gonna do these long sides. Okay. There we go. So I did all of that without breaking thread, and right now I'm going to probably put a fill into this arrowhead. But okay, that was my short video just to show you ways to think about doing continuous line quilting and not breaking thread if ever possible. And I was kind of happy with that. So it's not the only way to do it, but it's the way I figured out where I didn't have to break thread or backtrack even. I didn't go over any previous stitch lines. Okay, I hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and I hope I will give you some more videos soon. Okay, have a great day. See you next time. Bye-bye.